In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform an oil change on your Kia Optima. Let's get started. Moving under the hood, we're going to locate the cap for the oil. Go ahead and take it off. Put it to the side. And now we're going to go ahead and go underneath the vehicle to start draining it. Moving under the vehicle, we're going to locate the oil drain plug, which is located right over here. Your vehicle may have a tray. You will take that out now. Ours is missing, so just keep that in mind. Using a 17mm socket, go ahead and crack this loose. Make sure you have an oil collector under the vehicle before you take the plug out. Before we go ahead and take the drain plug out, make sure you have a collector underneath to get all the oil. So go ahead and take the plug out. And now we're just gonna let it drain. After all the oil is drained out of the car, we're gonna go ahead and install the oil plug. But before we do so, we wanna make sure that we replace this washer. So go ahead and take it out. And now make sure that you replace it with a new one. We're gonna go ahead and install the bolt by hand. And now we're gonna torque it to 25 foot-pounds. It is important that you torque these to avoid any leaks. Now that we have the oil drain plug torqued down, we're gonna go ahead and clean it. Using some brake parts cleaner, go ahead and spray some. And wipe off any excess. Now let's go ahead and remove the oil filter. Next up, we're gonna remove the old oil filter. Using an oil filter removal tool, make sure that you have an oil pickup to get the oil that's gonna come out of here. Go ahead and take it off. Get it loose, and now remove it. We're gonna let that drain before we install the new one. Now we're gonna clean the surface, make sure that it's free of debris before we install the new filter. So I'm gonna be using some brake parts cleaner and a rag. I'm gonna spray some on the rag. And now I'm gonna wipe off all of this area. Making sure that it's free of debris. Now we're gonna get our new filter ready. Before we go ahead and install the new filter, we're gonna go ahead and pre-fill it. So we're gonna be using some fresh oil, and we're gonna just be putting some in it. And using some of the fresh oil, we're gonna go ahead and put it around the O-ring. And now we're ready to install. So go ahead and spin it on. And this just needs to be snug. Do not over tighten this because it will make it harder to remove after. Now we can go ahead and refill the engine. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and refill the engine. We're gonna be using 5W20, that is the specified oil for this vehicle. Go ahead and get a funnel. And what we're gonna be putting in is 5.1 quarts. Go ahead and remove the funnel. And reinstall the cap. For this, you want to make sure that it makes at least 3 clicks. From this point, you want to go ahead and turn the vehicle on. Let it get to temp. Go ahead and check the fluid level. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. Put it back in. Make sure that it is at the level. It might be a little higher just because the vehicle hasn't run yet. So at this point, you want to go ahead and turn it on. Let the vehicle get to temp. Make sure you don't have any leaks and top off if you need to.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.